Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to tell you how to get rich with stock video. There's this guy here, for example, that promises you that you'll be able to make $2,000 a month just by uploading your videos to stock websites. So I guess I'll be quitting my job now, I'll upload my videos to stock websites and I'll live a happy life. Yeah, as you probably realize, I'm being a bit sarcastic here. There's no way that I could quit my job today, upload my footage to stock websites and make $2,000 a month or more. But I respect Chris Howe as a creator. That's the guy who uploaded this video. And so I decided to dig deeper into this stock footage business and see what you can really do with it. So this video is not a tutorial on how to make money with stock footage, and I will also not be able as of now to tell you if I managed to make any money with stock videos. But I did some research on this topic that I want to share with you, and I will also create an account on the Blackbox website and upload some of my footage I took in Japan. And then in the future I'll keep you posted if I actually manage to make any money with it. So first things first, yes, of course you can make money with stock media. But it's not as easy as some people want to make you believe. Of course, if you were an early adopter and you were one of the first people to upload 4K footage to stock websites, then you probably were able to make a lot of money off it. But now you have more and more people uploading stock videos to stock websites. And that means if you don't offer anything special that other people won't offer, you will have a hard time making money. On some of the videos that I watched on YouTube about making money with stock videos, they promised that you could just go back to all the footage that you took, upload this to a website and then make money out of it. The thing is that most of the footage you take during your vacation or wherever you make videos isn't really meant for stock videos, so it's not something that you can upload. I mean, you can upload it, but it will be rejected. Now, I won't go into the topic on how your footage has to look to be actually able to make money out of it, but it certainly has to have a high quality. One of the numbers that I found while doing my research is that you need to have at least 500 clips online to be able to make a steady income out of your stock videos. But that doesn't mean that you can upload any 500 clips to a stock website. No, it means that you need at least 500 high quality, diverse, and if possible, unique videos on your stock websites. Sure, quantity over quality counts for this kind of footage, but you have to reach at least a base quality. And if you have videos of stuff that no one else is able to film, for example, you will have a way higher chance to make sales. So, is it actually possible to make $2,000 a month by uploading your footage to stock websites? Yeah, sure, it is possible. Chris Howe didn't lie. But you probably have to upload 10 diverse and high quality videos each week to stock websites for about 2 years until you get this number of $2,000 a month. As I've heard often also about YouTube, it's a marathon, not a sprint. You have to invest a lot of time over a long period to be actually able to make any steady income out of this. But I've theorized enough about this. What I will do now is upload some of the footage that I took in Japan to this website called Blackbox. Blackbox is not a website that offers stock videos, but you can upload your stock videos to them and they will spread all those videos to the 5 biggest stock video websites there are. Of course, they take a cut of 15% of all your sales, but because your footage will be up in 5 different websites, you will have a higher chance to sell something with less work. And there are also other pros to Blackbox, but I won't go into them in this video. So the point is to see if I, as an amateur videographer, am actually able to make any money at all during the next half year. I'll upload some of the footage I took in Japan to Blackbox. First, I see if they actually get accepted or rejected. Then I'll see if I make any money. If I make any money, I'll come back to you as soon as I do that. If I don't, you won't hear anything about this topic until half a year from now. So first, let's upload the videos. So you have to go to the Blackbox website and you have to register. You need all your information. They also want to know what your expertise is, what you offer to the website. If you're an amateur or a professional, they want links to your social media accounts, a short biography, and a valid government ID if you want to upload something. After I finished the registration, I received a message that told me that I had to wait about 24 to 48 hours until my account got activated, but I actually only had to wait for about 2 hours. They send you a mail with your login information and also a link to 3 different documents that you have to read before uploading any video. I did read that, especially the first one is really long, but I think it's also very important that you read this, just because of the legal implications that this kind of business has. And you will be uploading your videos using FileZilla. You connect to the server of Blackbox Global, then you put your videos into this folder. So that was not a problem at all, but for some reason my clips are still not online. I uploaded them like 2 hours ago, I think. Now I've been waiting and there's nothing here. Sure, they do mention that it takes time, but not how long it takes. This is how much I can show you in this case. After the clips are online, I will have to curate the metadata. And the most important thing is that I will have to add good keywords. Without good keywords, no one will find your videos and you won't be able to make any sales. So that does take a lot of time. After finishing the metadata, you can submit your footage and then you have to wait a few days or even a few weeks until the videos are either uploaded to the stock websites or until they are rejected. I actually don't know if the quality of my videos is enough for them to be uploaded on stock websites or if all of them will be rejected. But as I said, I'll keep you updated in the future. I hope that at least some of them will be uploaded to other web pages, because if all of them are rejected, I won't be able to tell you if I made any sales with my footages or not. I mean, if they are rejected, there's no way I can make any sales. So that's it from me for now. I will certainly keep you posted, but don't expect any updates on this topic before a half a year from now. But still, you can wish me luck, right? And if you want to see if I succeed in selling anything, be sure to subscribe so you get notified when I upload the video 6 months from now. I mean, if you don't subscribe, you will probably have forgotten about this by then. So as always, thank you very much for watching and see you next week.